I want to introduce you to P13. It's a brand new company for us, all the way from Poland. They have beautiful things. Okay, so this is a 12 by 12 paper pad. It's titled Till We Meet Again. Very beautiful art. Well, you're going to see for yourself. Now, a couple of things that this company does I really appreciate. Number one, on the back of their cover, they have artwork for you. In this case, lots of cutouts, just tons and tons. Absolutely gorgeous. You get a feeling for the color scheme they've used. Also, on the back of their cover, they have the same thing. In this case, it's duplicated. So you've got tons of cutouts to embellish your projects. Now the papers, let me show you. Here is the first. Absolutely love the color combination, and isn't the artwork beautiful? These are all double-sided. There are 6 designs. You're going to get 2 of each, and here is the backside photographs. If you don't want to use that, or you know what else you could do, is you could have a tag going there, and fortunately they have tags. I'll show them to you in a minute. But there's also this scroll work in the background. Here we have more flowers, kind of looks like tulips to me. And then on the back side, this all over print, so really pretty. This is an American railroad. That's interesting. Here we have, oh, isn't that lovely? Just so, so pretty on that corner, and then I want to show you that corner. On the back side, we've got a green all over texture, and then we have this, very pretty. We've got letterbox and post boxes. The words are in English, so you don't have to worry about that. There's the back side. And then you have a sheet of cutouts, actually 2 sheets of cutouts. So that's going to be really nice. And there's a postcard, just perfect moments, really pretty. The back side, oh, isn't that a pretty brick? I love the coral tones there. There's an all over pattern. Again, you're getting 2. And here's another one, lots of doors that you can cut out if you want to use those. Now, to coordinate with this, there are tags, and let me show you. These are in circles as well as 2 leaf shapes, and they are double-sided. So there's something on the back. So if you want to stamp or create your own, you've got a surface that will work. In this case, there are 11 pieces in with the tags. So that's one set. Then we also have word pennants. So it's a pennant shape. Love letters, till we meet again, you are special. My darling, I love you, little moments and happiness. These are also double-sided. So if you want a computer journal or stamp, you've got a surface that's going to coordinate. So there are 7 pieces there. And then finally, we have what they call a garland, but they're this pennant shape. They're larger, and they are also double-sided. So you can see the artwork is a perfect match to the papers. I just love this. And you can use them vertically, or you can use them horizontally. And if you want to layer them with some of the other tags and word pennants, that's going to work beautifully. So just to show you the artwork, there are 15 of these. So we've got the pennants, we've got the tags, we've got the word pennants, and we have the Till We Meet Again paper collection, all of this from P13.